artificial intelligence, AI, but do we really know what it is? Do we really know what it can do? Do we fully understand the difference this can make to engineering and manufacturing? Is this the future? The next generation of engineering? Will it create the next generation of engineers? On Tuesday, the 26th of May at 11 a.m. live, I will be interviewing Luca Ruggiero from DP Technologies Corporation and asking him all of these questions. What is Esprit CAM software? What is AI programming, AI optimized production, digital twins, and so much more. So make sure to tune in at 11 a.m. on Tuesday, live on YouTube or Facebook.